Ever feel like you're constantly battling a never-ending tide of tasks? You wake up, check your phone, and bam! There's a new list staring back at you, emails to answer, errands to run, that video project looming on the horizon. You scramble to keep track of it all, scribbling notes on napkins, using a million different apps, but nothing seems to truly work. Sound familiar? If you're tired of the constant struggle to stay organized, then you're not alone. Millions of people just like you are searching for a better way to manage their work and personal lives. What if I told you there's a tool that can streamline your workflow, centralize your tasks, and actually make getting things done enjoyable? That's the magic of ClickUp. But before we dive into ClickUp's awesomeness, let's take a step back. What exactly is project management? Anyway, think of project management as the art of getting things done efficiently. It's about breaking down large goals into smaller, manageable tasks, assigning those tasks to the right people, and keeping track of progress. It's about clear communication, collaboration, and ultimately, achieving success. Now, traditionally, project management software has been clunky, complicated, and frankly, not very user-friendly. But ClickUp throws that stereotype out the window. ClickUp, your all-in-one productivity powerhouse. ClickUp isn't just another to-do list app. It's a comprehensive project management platform designed to be flexible and adaptable to your specific needs. Whether you're a solopreneur, a busy freelancer, or managing a large team, ClickUp can help you conquer your workload. So what makes ClickUp so different? Let's break down its key features. Views, glorious views. ClickUp offers a variety of customizable views for your tasks. Need a classic to-do list? Check. Kanban boards for visualizing workflow? Absolutely. Want a Gantt chart to track deadlines? ClickUp's got you covered. You can switch between views effortlessly, depending on how you prefer to see your work. Lists within lists. Sometimes, projects get complex. ClickUp lets you create nested lists, allowing you to break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable subtasks. This keeps everything organized and helps you avoid feeling overwhelmed. Assign and collaborate with ease. Working on a project with a team? ClickUp makes collaboration a breeze. Assign tasks to specific team members, set due dates, and leave comments to provide feedback and updates. Docs, chat, and more. ClickUp isn't just about managing tasks. It's a central hub for all your project communication. Create and share documents directly within ClickUp. Use the built-in chat feature to discuss tasks with your team, and keep everything related to your project in one convenient place. Automation is your friend. ClickUp lets you automate repetitive tasks, saving you precious time and energy. Set up rules to automatically assign tasks, move completed tasks to a different list, or send notifications when deadlines approach. Customization galore. ClickUp understands that everyone works differently. That's why it offers a high level of customization. Change the look and feel of your workspace, create custom statuses for your tasks, and tailor ClickUp to perfectly suit your workflow. ClickUp beyond the features. But ClickUp isn't just about features. It's about a whole new way of approaching your work. ClickUp encourages a sense of focus and accomplishment. As you tick off tasks and see your projects move forward, it becomes a motivating force that keeps you on track. ClickUp is constantly evolving, with new features and functionality being added all the time. The developers are committed to creating a platform that empowers users to be their most productive selves. Is ClickUp right for you? ClickUp offers a free plan with a generous amount of features, perfect for individuals or small teams. There are also paid plans with additional features and storage space for larger teams, or those with more complex needs. The best way to find out if ClickUp is right for you is to try it yourself. Sign up for their free plan and see how it can transform the way you work. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy conquering.